Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. We are going to make a non-biased and detailed technical analysis for Avalanche AVAX. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will take easy profits and you will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get market updates, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, personal guidance, and many more benefits. Also, you will find the link in the description for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's go right now to Avalanche and you can see that each time right here, I will tell you something and I will show you something and the risk we have now, because we didn't have much risk right there or right here or right in this area, for example right there on 21st September, but we are having a little bit more risk right here. And I will tell you the pattern that Avalanche was following. Every time we were getting down from the 50-day EMA, you can see that we were getting upwards. Okay, it was a great buying opportunity here as well. So now we are down from the 50-day EMA, but what has changed? We will see all of these details and we will draw a fib retracement from this top to this bottom. You can see that the first target right here is this target we are in right now, the 65 to 66 Tether USD, 68.35, 70, and of course the 73, 0.618. We found some sell pressure on the 0.618 right here. So we have those targets for Avalanche. But what has changed and we have more risk? We will see about that. First of all, the volume is decreasing right here on the volume. You can see on the 4-hour frame, the moving average goes down a little bit. Let me just zoom in so you can see it more clearly. This is the moving average and it's going down. The MACD is going all the way down. The price remains a little bit stable. It follows though as well the Avalanche. But anyway, the MACD is somewhat a little bit bullish, I would say, because the fact that we are going a little bit down, it is good. But at this moment, we are having a lower high pattern on the Avalanche. Okay, you can see that the MACD right here, we are having a lower high pattern and therefore we are going down. But the price has a higher high pattern. You can see every time we were making a high, we had a higher high on the price, but a lower high on the MACD. This is a bearish MACD divergence like the RSI, but it is not so crucial, and of course it doesn't give the same results as the RSI divergence. Let's go to the risk metrics from the moment we speak about the RSI divergence, and here we have the 20-day EMA crossing a little bit down the 50-day EMA, but that's not bearish, do not worry about that, and we do not hold any great buying entry now for Avalanche. We do not have an extreme oversold situation, so we can get in safely and of course we will get profits. Okay, we cannot go in yet. Let's go to the daily frame in case we find a little bit of more information right there. According to the SSL HYBRID, we do not hold any buying opportunity yet, but we hold the 20-day EMA. For now, you can see that we are in an oversold on the daily frame. This is something good. If Avalanche keeps its impulsive wave, this is very good because we are in an oversold on the daily frame for the stochastic RSI. Anyway, we do not hold any low risk right now, but the pattern remains very good on the daily. We hold the daily RSI above the 40 to 50 around there, and we hope that we can go even higher above the 70. Okay, so we are holding pretty good on the midterm on the daily frame, but we will be seeing something that it is not healthy and we might hold a little bit of a very high risk, and that is the RSI on the weekly frame. You can see on the weekly frame we are having the RSI into an extreme overbought situation. Same here for the commodity channel index and the same for the stochastic RSI. All of the 4 risk metrics are in an overbought situation, and it is the first time that we had a red candlestick on the weekly frame. Is it bearish though? No, it's not, but you should be very careful. Let's go on Avalanche Bitcoin chart. On the 4-hour frame, you can see we are below the 50-day EMA again. We do not hold any strong buying opportunities, any strong buying entries, and we should be very careful. This is what happened with Solana. We thought that it would go even higher all the time, but eventually we had a nice correction right there going on, and you might end up losing more money. So be safe when you trade and check all the risk metrics before you get in. Let's go to Avalanche Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. On the daily frame, we have the stochastic RSI going into an oversold. We hold pretty fine. The yellow line right here, you can see the 20-day exponential moving average, and we do not hold any significant risk right now. Okay, daily stochastic RSI commodity channel index remains very good in a very nice pattern right here, and daily RSI, of course, it is very nice. Let's go to the price analysis, and I want to say here that we are having some targets. I will redraw the Fibonacci in case you missed it, from this top to around this bottom. There we are. We could use the coordinates right there if we wanted to be more precise, but anyway, it is the same. It is around the same. Okay, so the price targets are the 65.54, 68.3, 70.4, and 72.55. Of course, going above the 72.55 will be very good. For now, though, we do not hold any clear buying entry for Avalanche, and because of the risk metrics on the 4-hour frame. Okay. However, as Bitcoin might be doing here, we might be getting above this target right there, the 42,400, and we might be getting a little bit further upwards. This might help Avalanche going a little bit upwards as well, but at the same time, we do not hold any great buying entries for now. As on the daily frame that we showed before, we have the stochastic RSI below the 20, so it is a very good that we are in an oversold situation on the stochastic RSI, and now we are hoping that we can hold the 20-day MA line or almost the 20-day MA and go even higher. But always remember that we have a great risk on the weekly frame, great risk there, and therefore you should be careful. We also have the bearish MACD divergence right there, so you should be careful again, and of course do not make any rush movements onto Avalanche. I would say that you can go in once we get above and close above, not only get above but close above the 76.53 on the 4-hour frame. So the candlestick has to close above this area right here. So yes, you can get in afterwards, then you minimize the risk. But for now, for the time being, it is not safe for you to get in, as we have Bitcoin in a little bit of unstable position right there. Yes, we might be having a little bit of a swing high for Bitcoin, but in overall, yes, it looks like we might be getting down the 20-day MA and the 50-day EMA. Okay, so Bitcoin right now might help some altcoins getting a little bit of a profit right here, but at the same time it's not safe to get in, and it is not sure that we will be holding these targets. If you want to be more safe, then you can go above the 76.63, and then the next targets will be the 84, the 89, and the 90 for Avalanche. Okay, next targets are there, and of course you can get it in afterwards. For the time being, just hold a little bit and observe the market, and do not forget to join the monthly subscription to take easy profits. And of course, I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.